Hey, we're out here in Shelby, Buffalo Creek right here. As you can see, the water's really muddy. It rained a ton last night, so that's the water. But yeah, it's really muddy, and it's washed out some of the bank here a little bit. But I came hunting this morning. See all those rocks right there? They were all like just covered in water. I mean, it was amazing. There was nothing here. It was probably, you see that stick sticking straight up right there? That's where the water level, that's where the water started. So it's dropped a whole lot and it's not running as much. But as you can see up there, and probably here, it's running pretty hard. So that's pretty much Buffalo Creek for you here in Shelltown. And this has been part of Shelby Outdoors. So we'll catch you later. Bye.